There's another one. We'll have to put something around those trees.
They're eating on all of them.
Counting the baby?
Scout
Oh, Scout laying down. Look over here, Mom. Oh, wait, he's turning. Go, look the other way. Mom.
Look on the other side.
Look this way. Oh, well, hell. He's going to drive right up to him. Look. Can you see him?
You're lazy.
You keep telling him that.
I said, get up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on.
He's lame. Buddy, what are you doing? What's the matter?
Come here.
He said, no, I think I'll wait.
I'm strange.
Yeah. Well, that you are. But that's okay. Probably need to get him in.
Got a lot of land, don't you?
Well, we lease this piece. We lease.
They have almost chewed off that bridge.
Oh, here comes the baby.
All right, Joel.
There's the baby.
Come here, baby.
All right, Peanut.
Come here. I ain't gonna hurt you. I don't hurt animals. What was that?
That's her getting scared because we moved. Here's another old one.
What's the matter?
Cody, come here. Cody.
Come here, Cody.
Cody. Come here, Crystal.
There's one.
Look, Mom.
You're a good horse.
Mom.
There's one to pet.
Hi. Come here.
That's my baby.
Yeah.
That's the baby. She's only
That's
3.
the baby, huh?
Yeah, she's only 3. Come on. That's her mama. Right next to her. That's her mama right next to her. Oh, there's Cody.
Hi. Hello. You come talk to me.
He says, no, I'm going to come get that hay that's been hiding in there. What are you doing?
Yeah, I do. I like horses. Yeah, I like to pet them.
What are you doing, Crystal?
Yeah. Come here.
Come here.
That's AJ.
I got to pet the one.
Yeah, you did.
I'm strange.
No, they're just wondering why we're up here in a
They
truck.
don't go for things.
Yeah, they're just wondering why we're up here in a pickup truck. Where's the food?
Yeah.
They said, where's the food? You didn't bring no food. Are we missing anybody? That's it? Okay. Now you have to admit that's fun.
I'm a stranger to them. That's why they're.
Well, they're just wondering what the heck we're doing. We probably need to get Scout out. Get him in the
Yes,
yard.
I'm a stranger. Absolutely.
What are you doing?
thought that was something on your leg.
Yeah, that sun is something.
Yeah.
That one's too busy eating.
That's the one you called lazy. Because he was laying down.
Two of them are following.
That's the baby.
Nice out.
It is. They're like, where's the food?
Come here.
Don't let Tiny get her.
Come here. No, I'm strange, I know. Yeah, I'm a stranger. See, I'm a stranger. Yeah, I am. But I'll pet you. I won't hurt you.
There's nothing in here. Go on. Go on.
Yeah, I'll pet you.
Come here, Arthur.
I like it.
Hey, Peanut.
I pet him. Yes, I do.
Good boy, Tiny. Good boy. They think it's dinner time.
They're all following.
Yeah, because they want food. They think it's time to eat.
Is it?
No. Not till this afternoon.
4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
7.
8. There's 8.
All right, Daddy, just stop here. I'll get him, Dad.
Hello, Scout.
Come here.
Who's over there?
He's looking.
Yeah. They're,
I'm strange.
no, they want their dinner. They want to know why the dinner's not in the back of the pickup truck.
Is that it?
Yeah. Hold on, come big bump. Big bump.
That's a pretty one.
You like Joe?
Uh-huh. Is that what they're waiting for, their dinner?
Yeah. Get your nose back. They'll follow this truck.
Uh-huh.
They'll follow it.
I kind of like to know what the night that was going on. Right back where we started.
Yeah. Now I'm going to make you walk and see the chickens.
Huh?
Now I'm going to make you walk and see the chickens. Wait, we got to back up. I don't want you getting cold. Why are your legs swelling up?